Sweet potato pie pound cake. Yes, absolutely. So first you just need to take some butter and some Crisco shortening butter flavored. Add your sugar, cream that together until it's nice and smooth. Add in your eggs one by one. Then gradually add in your flour, give that a good mix, and then add in your heavy cream and of course your vanilla extract. Now for our sweet potato pie filling, we're just going to take up a sweet potato, add some sugar, a little bit of molasses. I ain't had no brown sugar, don't judge me. You got to improvise. And I also added some pure maple syrup. And I just gave that a good mix, added my butter. And then I added in all of my spices, which I'll put down in the description. Then I just mixed that all together, added in some evaporated milk, and then my eggs and vanilla extract. Then I added in a little bit of flour for texture. To my buttered and floured bundt pan, I just went on ahead and added in my pound cake mixture, and then I just swirled my sweet potato pie mixture right into it with a spoon. You can use a knife to do this or a toothpick, whatever you have. And I just continued with this layering process until my bundt pan was completely full. I baked this on 350 for about 55 minutes until it was toothpick clean. And then I went ahead and made a very simple glaze with some butter, some maple syrup, and brown sugar. I also added in a little bit of heavy cream and some vanilla extract, of course. Then I added in some powdered sugar, gave that a good whisk until it was nice and smooth. Flip your cake pan over onto a cake plate and then just drizzle that glaze all over top. Sweet potato pie pound cake, y'all. Ooh, absolutely.